Elephant leads the charge to drive these interloper cows away. Wild herbivore populations are declining in many African savannas, a result of replacement by livestock, mainly cattle, and the loss of large plant eaters or mega herbivores such as elephants. Although some livestock management practices may be compatible with the conservation of native savanna biodiversity, the sustainability of these integrated wild herbivore and livestock management practices is unknown. For example, how will herbivore mixes influence key processes for the long-term functioning of savanna ecosystems, such as soil carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus pools and cycling? Scientists affiliated with the Kenya Long-Term Exposure Experiment are studying the ecosystem consequences of manipulating the presence of wild herbivores and cattle at moderate densities in a black cotton savanna. In a paper published in the journal Nature Sustainability, the National Science Foundation-funded researchers show that after 20 years, cattle presence decreased total soil carbon and nitrogen pools, while the presence of mega herbivores, mainly elephants, increased these pools and reversed the negative effects of cattle. The results suggest that a mix of cattle at moderate densities and wild herbivores can be sustainable, provided that the assemblage of wild herbivores includes the largest species, according to the ecologist Truman Young of the University of California, Davis, a co-author of the new paper. By experimentally manipulating both domestic and wild herbivores in combinations that occur in the real world, this research demonstrates the importance of megaherbivores to sustaining natural savanna ecosystems, said Betsy Von Hall, program director in NSF's Division of Environmental Biology. Adorable video of an elephant trying hard to play with a herd of cows has gone viral. Twitter can't help but laugh. You'd think this adorable baby elephant would enthrall any audience. Then again, you haven't met these boring cows. This baby elephant's dance moves are among the cutest ever recorded on planet Earth, and yet these cows feel nothing. They just stare unmoved by the youthful art before them. Elephants are the most gentle and fun-loving animals. From playing in the water to having fun with their peers, there are ample videos on Twitter showcasing their playful nature. Another such video recently surfaced on the internet, and it has been giving everyone a hearty laugh. The clip that we're talking about was shared by the Indian Forest Service IFS officer Susanta Nanda. He tweeted the clip with a caption, "When the elephant fell in love with the wrong herd." The clip that was shared with him shows an adorable elephant trying to play with a herd of cows standing behind a fence. The 1-minute video starts with the elephant sitting in front of the cows and trying to put his trunk over the fence. The elephant then does some stretches and also starts going in circles with a twig in his trunk while trying to play with the cows. The elephant tries everything. It even lies down in front of the herd in order to get a reaction from them. However, all this while, the cows simply look at the elephant and keep grazing. This is one of the most hilarious videos that we've seen in a long time, and Twitter agrees with us. That's why the clip was viewed over 10K times within a few hours. If you've ever had the pleasure of getting to witness an elephant in the wild, then you know how beautiful and elegant these creatures are. Despite their enormous size and stature, these animals move with the utmost grace as if they have complete control over every muscle and step. Knowing this about adult elephants, we're sometimes left to wonder how on earth baby elephants can be so, well, clumsy. These little ones are barreling balls of energy who seemingly have zero control over any muscle in their body. Seriously, just watch this guy trying to figure out his trunk. Just like a human toddler learning to walk, elephants have a propensity for tripping, falling, throwing temper tantrums, and all the other messy parts of growing up. But through it all, these babies certainly know how to do one thing: enjoy every single second of life. So it comes as little surprise that when Navan, a rescued baby elephant who lives at Elephant Nature Park, came across a herd of cows possibly for the first time, he completely lost it. This was an incredible moment. You're about to witness rare daytime footage of a wild elephant giving birth at the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust DSWT in Chobe National Park, Botswana. It was captured on camera by Christian and Jeanette Leroy. Here's a mother who is able to deliver her baby in peace, trusting that her herd and keepers will keep her and her baby safe from predators. Seconds after she gives birth, the joyful herd of elephants gather around him, eager to guard and protect the precious new baby. Using their trunks, they gently lift him and sweep dust over his body so as to keep his skin safe from the sun. As you'll see, the birth sent the rest of the elephants into a euphoric state, using beautiful trumpeting vocalizations to welcome the baby. It's a powerful sight to witness this sense of community as the other elephants gather around to show support to this mother and celebrate the arrival of the newborn. One YouTube viewer says it best: "What better way to enter the world? Everyone around you, guarding you, touching you, helping you. Now you know why the elephant smiles and is one of Earth's finest citizens." The DSWT, or David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, is a Kenyan-based nonprofit organization dedicated to the protection and conservation of wildlife and habitats. The DSWT is the most successful elephant orphanage in the world, rescuing and hand-rearing orphaned elephants and rhinos that have lost their mothers, all too often the victims of poaching. Please share this incredible moment with your friends and give us a thumbs up to see more beautiful stories like that. See you later.